Ever since I was a kid, I've always loved to fly. At 5,000 or 10,000 feet, your problems on the ground seem insignificant. I like the risk. I like this sense that if something goes wrong, it can go very wrong. Every time you fly, you're gonna run into a few bumps. Typically, that turbulence doesn't mean much. It feels like the end of the world. But as long as you remain steady and consistent and you push through it, just like if you've experienced something traumatic or you've brought a lawsuit because of your abuse, there will be turbulence, there will be bumps. But we are good at navigating those and helping people through them.
The most important thing in my life is my family and my 3 young children. It's my duty and responsibility to protect them and to aid them to become the best people that they can. When I became an advocate for sexual abuse survivors, I had not yet been a father. And from the time that I have had my children, it has absolutely put rocket fuel in my determination and motivation to fight for survivors. Because every day I wake up and see my own children and would do everything I could to protect them.
Myself, as well as 4 of my other sisters, were all abused by the same Catholic priest. None of us talked to each other about our own abuse for 26 years. My youngest sister was the first to speak out. She saw a commercial looking for those in the Harrisburg area that were abused by clergy, and she sought out Andreozzi. She invited myself and my other sisters along for the first meeting, and we all agreed unanimously after that meeting that they were the ones. We felt very comfortable with them. They were patient in listening to our story. They didn't push us to make any decisions because we were afraid. We felt alone, but we immediately felt after meeting them that they were part of our team to help us get through this. And here we are many years later, and we really do consider them a part of our family. You'll never feel comfortable doing it, but your story could help save someone's life. I would most definitely refer others to Andreozzi and Foote.
Andreozzi and Foote was started about 20 years ago after I left a large Philadelphia-based commercial litigation law firm. I wanted to make a difference in the lives of real people, and we made a connection with survivors of sexual abuse. Ever since then, it's been our mission to obtain life-changing results for survivors and their families. Our experience and the results we've obtained for survivors is unparalleled.
Most firms handle a variety of different matters, different kinds of cases, and our firm decided a long time ago that this was going to be the thing that we did, and we were going to try to be better than anybody else at it. It requires a certain approach to client management and litigation that most law firms don't provide.
We hold our people accountable for their actions and ensure that we are responsive to our clients, responsive to deadlines, and we're always available when clients need us.
It feels good to be the first person to believe and listen to somebody in a situation where they've been ignored.
We know it's incredibly difficult for victims to come forward, but what we've seen over the years is the empowerment it can give them to go through this system and to hold organizations accountable for their actions so they can receive the resources that they need for healing.